Hello, this is Randomness with 5 Cups of Sugar, and today is gonna be an unboxing of the Tokyo Disney Resort soap dispenser that I got a year ago in Japan. I know it's a bit late to be opening it right now, but it has been a hectic year in school, and I couldn't remember where I put it, so now is the time to actually open it and use it. So remember that this one is a limited edition version of the Mickey shape soap dispenser that was available last year. I think it was called the limited edition Happy Mickey soap dispenser. I got it in Tokyo Disneyland, and as you can see here, it dispenses soap in the shape of a Mickey head. And this is the pattern here. And I'll just show you it like this. So here is the box before I open it. Yeah, it was 1,200 yen without tax, which is around $12, but I do believe you can refill it with any foam soap after, and it'll still make the Mickey head. That's what I'm pretty sure about. Not completely sure about. But yeah, this is how it works. You just press it down and you get a Mickey head, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you want all the angles, but here it is. So let's go to unboxing this with one hand. Let's see how this works. It is difficult to do with one hand. Oh no, oopsies. Totally couldn't do that with one hand, so I took the tab off with both hands and we're restarting the unboxing part. Here. Yay, successful. As you can see, the pattern is super nice and continues on the inside. It looks beautiful, don't you think? Oh yeah. Okay, so peeling this back. Can I grab it? Okay, perfect. The empty box. And look at it with its beautiful royal blue, and the beautiful pattern continues here and on the soap dispenser. It looks lovely. Okay, back's obviously just the back. And then, oh, it just comes apart like that. How nice. Oh, that was surprisingly easy to do with one hand for that stuff. It looks really nice. It looks regal with the gold and the, I guess, darker navy blue, or maybe it's royal blue, probably royal blue with gold. Oh gosh, that looks nice. As you can see, this is the top of it. And that is the tab to take off so you can actually dispense the soap. Here is the pattern. It's so cute. They're holding hands and it looks more of like a vintage style Mickey and Minnie. That's cute. Oh, they're looking lovingly into each other's eyes. I love that. Okay, and this is just the stuff at the back, probably saying how to use it. If you get it in your eyes, rinse it out. Not quite sure because I can't read it. But it's 250 milliliters. It was made in Japan. And let us take this part off and bring this bad boy to the bathroom. This looks super nice. I just noticed some mild detailings while I was on the way here, such as the castle. That's nice, integrating that within it. And looks like a volcano of sorts. And hearts. These are nice designs. Yeah, I just wanted to show you a more in-depth view of it, I suppose, and also the mechanism. So this is the mechanism where it comes out. It kind of looks like water, the molecule. H2O molecule. That's funny. Anyways, and yes, I know my hands are pretty dry. But let's try it. Let's wet my one hand. This is gonna be kind of hard considering I only have one hand doing this. How do I even do this on my one hand? Trial and error. Oh goodness. I just made a makeshift camera stand with a cup. So I really hope you can see this. Okay, first trial pump. Pretty good. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, look. Mickey's in the house. Mickey's in the house. Part of it was a trial pump. But it actually still looks pretty good. Okay, so that actually smelled pretty good. The soap smells, it smells like normal soap, but at the same time, it does have a little bit of a scent to it. I do like the scent. I don't know how to describe it though, but there definitely is a light scent that lingers even after you're done washing your hands and smell your hand. So if you do have issues with fragrance, such as sensitive skin or allergies, probably wouldn't recommend it to you. But also a side note is if you put your hand too close like this, and when you pump it, the Mickey Mouse down, it will hit your hand and result in a really deformed Mickey head, and I will show you that in a little clip. Mickey sliding down. This is what happens if you don't use it right away or you go too close to the pump. You get a weird Mickey shape. Yeah, but all in all, this is quite fun and it does suit my fancy. And it is so chic looking compared especially to my other soap, which I could have just refilled. But I thought, hey, maybe I should actually use this soap, which I haven't used for a year due to busyness and losing it amidst the stuff in my dorm. So I found it, brought it back for my break, and thought I should use it. And it was the perfect time because I was running low here. So I thought instead of refilling it, I'd as well try this experience. In terms of the moisture, I can't really give you a good example of that because my hands were already dry before from using disinfectant when I was in school, because my program requires a lot of infection control protocols. And oh yeah, you can see my spirit jersey of Grogu, which is pretty cute. And this phone case is from Tokyo Disneyland, from Disney, with the Easter event. It is quite worn out now though. The back of my spirit jersey has like Mandalorian written in it too. Yeah, but this was my sister got it for me in Disneyland because these are only in the park exclusive. And I do like how It's very comfortable and shows no body shape whatsoever, which is super comfy. I've worn this a lot. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye. Take care.